is our first hit for the points race. Oh, a little bit of oil on the track here. Not, I don't know, it's just in the middle. Hopefully she could get it right in the center. It actually feels a little sticky. So I gotta hold this up here a minute. All right, here we go. This is our first time hit. Last time in this lane, yesterday we went 830, but it feels stickier, so let's see what we got. Let's come on, Skylar, get a 20. Ooh, 846, 159, wow. That's surprising. Excuse me. This will be our second hit. It's weird, the track is sticky, but then, I don't know. It's like she gets out at the 330 and it drops a couple numbers. And I don't understand why that's doing that, but we'll see if it does it in this lane. Alright, so this is time trial number 2. $835. 161.2. That's better. All right, this is round number 1. No dash today. We got about a 20, 25 mile an hour side wind right now. So she's dialed at 847. She's against Lucky LeBate, 891. So LeBate's leaving first. She's going to run him down. Round number 1. Skylar. She broke out by 1, 846. She shaved off. She shaved off 6 mile an hour. Still broke out. Dang it. See if we can buy back in for round 2. Okay, so this is round number 2. We're in Santana, we're dialing 837, she's dialing at 806. Round number 2. The wind has died down a little bit, so hard to predict. We'll see where we're at. We feel an 837 is good in this lane. We ran an 835 when the wind was a little light, so here we go. Skylar's got it if she lifts. Santana was getting loose. Yes, she lifted 844, 150.7. Okay, this is round number 3. Skylar drew the bye. She was 009 last round, which was the best reaction time of the group. So We get a gimme here in round number 3. Thank you. So here we go. What we got? We're thinking it's going to run an 841. We dialed 843, but we're holding 2. So we're thinking 841. Let's see what it does. She goes 845. Wow, 158.7. A little slower than we thought, but that Byron makes all the difference in the world. So great job, Skylar. Okay, this is the 4th round semifinal. Man, the wind has really kicked up. Hopefully, I don't know. We just ran an 845 in the buy run in this lane, so we got a good number. 847's our dial in. Here we go, 847, round number 4, semifinal against Mike LeBate. Come on, Skylar. Skylar, get that wind light. Yes, 850, 158.9. Excellent.